So again, pwede kang mag-click ng all products. Gusto mo makita yung iba pang products. Ito gusto ko pala to. O, add to cart na natin yan. Kiklik mo lang yung cart sa lower right ng pinaka-thumbnail and then click add to cart. If you want to add, add mo lang and then add to cart mo lang. Ganyan. Tapos, okay na, nakompleto mo ng items. Yun lang pala yung gusto mong bilhin. So, click mo na yung shopping cart. Upper right. Ito yung may kulay pula. And then you will see yung mga products na in-add to cart po ninyo. Ay, pala, hindi ko pala gusto yung iba. Ito lang pala yung gusto ko na i-purchase. Ito lang pala. So, ayan. Pwedeng ito lang or pwedeng ito lang. So, i-review mo. Ito lang pala yung items ko. Okay ka na, nakapag-decide ka na sa dalawang sponge, tapos isang lutein. And then, tsaka mo siya i-check out. So, ayan. Okay, syempre ang importante din sa atin, sales date, 'di ba? You can choose yung sales date, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So the order information dyan. Tapos, still available yung individual order or door-to-door delivery. Uh, PUC delivery, of course. Lalabas na siya automatic. Recipient name na lang ilalagay. Affiliated center, automatic na siya which is address na siya ng Alpha Center. Kung sa alimbawa, dyan ka affiliated. Tapos recipient name, nalagay mo na lang dyan. And for example, PUC walk-in, of course, automatic na din siya. Pangalan na lang po yung ilalagay natin. And I will show you another feature for door-to-door delivery or individual order. So, for example, madalas kang nagpapadeliver sa iba't ibang address. You can actually save address. Halimbawa, yan, you will add shipping address. Ito yung lagi kong pinapadalahan, si member 1. Member 1, ayan. Tapos, i-click natin yung saan ba yung nakatira to si member 1. Ayan, let's say, yan, dyan siya nakatira. And complete address. We have to make sure complete address po, kaya po siya nakalagay na detailed address. Okay? And then, confirm. It means na-register na yung address niya. So, you have your options. Ito si member 1, ito yung ginawa natin, di ba? So, member 1, ayun. So, you have shipping address list. So, a while ago, I also tried to put po iba pang mga address para hindi I mean, meron na tayong na-register na ibang address para sa mga susunod na pag-order natin itong si test. Ayan. 'Di ba? Ito, kiklik mo lang yung list. Ito, halimbawa, dito ka pala magpapadala this time. So, this is applicable for individual order or door-to-door. You can save po yung address na madalas mong pinag-deliveran para hindi ka na laging magta-type. So, ayan. Let's say mag-order tayo para sa kanya. Ito yung kanyang contact number na na-save mo na and yung delivery address na na-save niya na. Okay na to. Ito na yung items mo, yung point value mo. Ito yung magiging shipping fee mo. So you have to review that. And pwede mo ding i-click to para ma-review mo kung tama ba yung items na add to cart mo o yung chine-check out mo. Now, eto, yung mode of payment. The usual, ito pa din naman yun. Pwede tayong mag-straight, credit card, installment, GCash Maya, bank deposit, ng BDO, o kaya PNB bills payment. So for example, let's do the checkout using bank deposit. So of course, okay na ako, agree na ako dito sa mga payment and PVs and shipping fees. And yes, I agree. And i-check out ko na. Pay ako ng 2,000 plus. So this is how it looks like. Aside from this, you will also receive an email confirmation or order details po. Again, you will also receive an email for the details of your order. So order complete, as I've mentioned kanina, kapag po new website na tayo, hindi na po tayo 12 digits. So 16 digits na po siya. New order number natin. And it will start at 708 po. Okay? So, ayan. Maybe you have to screenshot para at least may reference ka ng order number if you want to follow up or check, ganyan. So, ganyan po. Alright, nakapag-successful tayo ng isang order sa oras na to. And congratulations, you made an order. For now, I will show you naman po um, The customer service. Okay. Anong meron dito sa customer